On tonight's cook show we're going to make a tagliatelle, courgette, mint and ricotta. It's going to be really fresh, really easy to make, and all you need is just some key basic ingredients. So we've got our little mini larder out. We're going to get some 3 courgettes. Really simple, really easy. We're going to have a lemon which we're going to zest and get the juice from, a small lemon. Of course, the tagliatelle, you're going to have mint. We're going to have some ricotta, some parmesan, some olive oil, some crushed chilies, and we're going to have half an onion, and we've got a really nice 2 cloves of garlic, but there's quite a big one here. In terms of cooking equipment, all we need is a frying pan to fry off the veg, and then we need a pan for the pasta. Really simple. So what we're going to do, we're going to just drizzle a little bit of the olive oil into the pan. We're going to get this onto the heat, and then we're going to prep the veg up, and then we're going to fry that off. So in terms of your garlic, just push that and just slice this up. So we're going to slice the onion. Always a good, I learnt this in college, to slice down into the onion. And then you can either cut into, but I'm not going to do that. You can just simply finely slice. It's really good. Always curl your fingers in. And just an idea, it's always good, you know, building up a little pan to make yourself a little stock, vegetable stock as you go along. So you can see I've got some stalks in here. Just simply anything that you have left over, just simply stick in here and let you know, build up your vegetable stock. As you've got the oil there, and simply we're just gonna put this straight in, the onion and the garlic straight into the pan. And then apply that back to the heat. So you roughly need about 10 to 20 grams of mint, however much you prefer the power of that. So we're just going to pick some leaves, apply the water over the top, and put this onto heat. So we're going to prepare the courgettes. There's different ways you can do this. You can get a machine, or a spiralizer is quite good. But in this case, we're just going to take the tops off, apply that to the vegetable stock. We're going to cut this into half because that's pretty much the length of what you need. And then pretty much here you can square this off. Never throw away the outside because that's where all the goodness is within the greens. Strips. I do like to cut as much veg by hand as we can. It's quite therapeutic, you know, then lengthways. And these go really well with the tagliatelle, you know, goes the length strips. Also cut them, you know, together, you know, when you put them all together, cut them all in one. I quite fondly remember when I was given lines at school, I used to just join the pens together and sellotape them. So I used to do 5 lines in one go. Quite a similar sort of process here. There we go. But to be honest with you, I actually recommend, you know, if you've got children and time sensitive, you just get a spiralizer and you can do these 3 courgettes in no time. So this is really taking up the bulk of my time. It's probably taking me about 5 to 7 minutes just to slice up the courgettes, but rewarding all the same. Fried off the onions and the garlic. We're going to bring this off now. And then we're going to add the courgettes in, which has all been pre-cut, all been done now. Fantastic. Add all that to the frying pan. And we're just going to fry that off. Just make sure you can season that as well. Lots of you know, pepper and a pinch of sea salt as well. Right, so we've just we've boiled the pasta. It's just simmering. We don't want to overcook that. Just going to sit that there. We're also going to ladle a little bit of the water from that back into the courgettes that are frying off right now. Right, so we're just frying off. We're still frying off the courgettes. So I've transferred this into a wok because it's much more ideal when we had the pasta. So that's just frying away there. We're just going to ladle this pasta into here, and then we're going to add the pasta into the frying pan, and then we're going to add the lemon and the mint and everything afterwards, and keep that freshness at the end. We really hope you're liking the show, guys. Just having a nice refreshing ginger beer. The weather's lovely. I hope you're coping well and doing well, and please don't forget to subscribe to my show. A lot of passion and energy and love going into these shows. I'm really enjoying doing them. Really hope I'm entertaining you all. So please like the show and subscribe. So this is the courgettes all fried off. We've had a ladle of the water back in, and now we're going to add the tagliatelle, which is cooked, back into here. And then we're going to stir that round back on the heat. So we're going to tear the mint really fast, really easy. This way we retain the freshness. Also adds that rustic sort of wholeness, you know, homemade cooking as well. So we're going to put all that to one side. Ready to add. What we're going to do now is we're going to zest the lemons on the zester. Really kind of like a really key essential part of this. So that's that part there. Put that to one side. We're going to zest the lemon. We're going to add all the bits as well, just remove the pips, that's all. So we're going to add that straight in. So now we're going to grate the Parmesan. We can do that on the fine one. You can also do extra to serve. Then this is what we're going to add last. We've got the Parmesan cheese, we've got the mint, and we've got the lemon zest. That's all going to be added back. Lastly, on top. And we're going to stir that round. Jenna, it's ready. So to serve this, you pretty much need a serving bowl, a pasta serving bowl. This is perfect. We're going to scoop pasta into the bowl. So this is to serve, and now we're going to add a dollop of the ricotta. Say he's add this on top and onto the side. So add some Parmesan over the top, and then some chili seeds. And then here we have the tagliatelle with courgette, mint and ricotta. Enjoy.